name is Artego Batiste, driver 1991 Nissan B13. My passion for cars started, you know, way back from when I used to go to high school. I used to see Omar and the great Seymour.
From we and them are left out in the morning around 10:30, 11. You know, we do what we do for around here, map up the car, even though we did it from last week, but we still run back through it again. And then we just tie on the band them our car and we decide we'll go dry. So we dry them are using car, dry, go up at Herald.
Up at the dyno?
Up at the dyno, yeah, man. And, you know, we'll go up there and
all our
vibes and first pull the car make a 412 and I say boy, you know, because I just see excitement.
So the car make the power effortlessly?
One press, them are press 412, run back through the graph and everything and I say yeah man, they make it man and Nissan listener man. I say boy, I don't believe so, I don't want to retry again. And then do the checks them, check whatever, and say alright, go on again. Them are say alright, I'll go again, you know, but if I see anything, I know say alright. If I anything else, car bad. Yeah man. And them did them now no Wi-Fi on them phone. I say Chris, turn on the hotspot there. I'm have to make them know I'll go on, you know. Give them an update. Same thing that from the other day. Give them an update when the good things start, you know. Yeah man, from there so we make the power 3 pull. The car make 442. Pump gas we are use 90 we buy. So we want the car to be safe as possible. And them I say, yeah man, don't keep it safe man. 16 pound more and car go. I said, no man, we don't need too much horsepower and the pump gas. You understand? So make we keep it at that. I say, alright then, Demi. What you say I go on for the tuner now? Take it to the moon, like what Jamie Marshall I say, or what? Him say you are the tuner, you know. So when your car got the moon, but don't make it blow up.
What you gotta say, Mr. Tune?
Sending it to the moon.
They say go up but now blow up, you know? Okay, alright.
I understand. So what I will laugh out.
So after the dyno session now, yes. Right? You know, excited and you say boy you now go home now.
Excited. Come home. Reach home safe. Same place as I carry them. When they come from dyno.
Yeah?
Same place right there. So the car don't move all now. Right here. You understand? And me lend him the battery to my car. Said to me, say, boy, Chris, tomorrow the car show a L time, you know. And I want to go around, they go represent. You understand? So I say, boy, I say, I don't have a battery for my car, you know. I say, no, man, me don't make it power already. I hit that for this car. I not even look back on it until close to weekend. Because Friday I come my birthday.
You serious?
Yeah, man, the 3rd of December I'm born, man.
You serious, bro? Wow.
You know? So, me did plan for me and him got a plantation smokehouse.
Go all the vibe.
Go all the vibes. You understand? I mean, and them, we go there a couple times already, but we never get a chance to sit down because it's so full.
Right.
So I say, alright, Chris, you know what I got more? I want for my birthday. I never have a party or nothing. Never get a birthday cake. I have some guests overseas that come Sunday. So we plan to do a surprise party for you. However, them say, oh, Chris, I want you do something for Tego, special way. You would never forget. And I said, that's why I say, boy, because the man them talk, he will have a talk. I said, boy, but I want a birthday party, you know, and a cake that we can blow out.
Yeah.
And I said, boy, you listen to what I say, because just like when you tell them, they might relate back to me, and they get all of the things. Them future plan was, him said to me, say, boy, Chris, you know, if me there and I make a money, I don't really have to gossip or kill up myself, you know. Kind of like me have no youth or whatever. I just want to live comfortable. And my mother, alright, if she call me for pay a bill, I can just go pay and I watch no face.
Right.
It's like my car when I go use. They'll give me the wish here. Come meet me in the morning because I'm telling me, say, like when you give me the battery, I'll drive the Nissan. So I'm going to left this video because I know say you know have no other vehicle because the car them go on the road. Right. However, when we're there, we drop off them our robbers. If you come on them, we got you and Robert and Murray car. You understand? And them are leaving car right there, so they still then come feed. I'm saying week in everybody can come. But long story short, you go on ahead and me and him there. Him get a call. And I sit down on the veranda wall around the sun. The guy call him and I say, Tego, you there? I say, I just come from dine me and Chris and I run out of the house here. So I say, I remember say if you collect the car this evening. I say, no man, I ain't this evening. Not tomorrow man, Saturday morning. I say, no man, at 3 days money I give you and I'm done with the car. So I say, alright, I run out of the house, just come. Come out of the house. Take off his shirt. The shirt where you make film with the Tego in my back. Say, Chris, you go borrow your car for you. I could have drive come up a morning, come check with the car and whatever. Come say, I go get some tire for the burn out. Him say, go on with the wish. The guy go come with the car. Eventually, we drive out of the yard. And I tell him, alright, my baby mother they home. So she did call me, ask me if we don't reach down yet and all of that. And I say, yeah man, me there Tego, me just pull out the battery out of the car and come. So I leave here before him go up on the road. Okay. So we leave him sit down at the dark on the veranda, and I think the veranda light never turn on. So we're there a good little while, chit chat, and then, you know, him text me and he said to me, say, Chris, me I go drop the guy out the road. You reach up, me say, yeah man, me reach up man, me I go bathe and me I go eat. So me leave him right there and then go home. When I did that, I not even realize my phone on vibrate. My baby mother said to me, say, me hear your phone on vibrate, you know. On the dresser, you know. Even though it's a charge, you know. One if I Wi-Fi it pick up, I say, no man. I don't normally charge the phone off the internet and I normally turn off the internet. He said, well, at 3 times now me hear vibrate. I said, alright, I go check it out. I just come out of the bathroom. Take up the phone and I look, I see Tego, I miss one call. I look again.
This is about what time?
That some minutes about 9:44. That's the exact time because they missed call them did it. Right. 9:44 I get the first call from them. I miss the call. Boom, me call him back. Just as me I call him back, Sparkles call me and say, Chris, Damien said Tego in an accident and he just put him in our police vehicle. Call him. He goes so bam and call him. Say, what am to you? Say, Chris, me in an accident, come. So which part of it? Up St. Mary way. Me in our vehicle I go hospital. I don't know where but you always see me along the way. I say alright, go on, me soon come. Jump in on my clothes. Drive out. Head up there, we made up there, me stop at the crash site. Jump out of the car, stop in the road, block your road. No one nobody pass, we go over there, you understand? I see yellow tape, I see 2 man on the ground. So God, I would them man. I look upon them, I don't recognize none. Head to the car.
So, it's interesting that you said that because I thought that he died on the spot, but you're now saying that him never did on the spot.
No, man, he never did on the spot, man. You even see videos where people are asking, so you get Chris. You understand? Yeah, man, video them on the internet are just because me not get none of the video them. People don't want to send me like that. Me see it if you know the observer when them on them page me them ask.
Okay.
You understand? So he never did on the spot.
Okay.
Me not the hospital.
So you right. So when you reach at the accident site, you know you kind of secure him thing them on.
Well, never really did it for secure.
Okay.
I just
wreck.
Look me go look for see. You understand? I see the car tear up and sitting and I said, boy, man, if you want to make it, man. But if I didn't call me,
there's hope.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright, me head for the hospital. I'm reach them. I have an ex friend named Omar. Call him Ben. Ben and my wife did up at the hospital already. So I go see them. Them live right down the street. So them are the first one to reach to the site because them get a call. You understand? And then me and them up at the hospital. I go look at them. You know, the whole family and the other people them crowd up there and all of that. I never get to see him until some minutes after 12. So alright, me and my baby mother did the right through. Alright, then done with the dead body them and all of that. Where them carrying the dead St. Michael bus and all of that. We get a chance now to talk to one of the nurse them. She said, who you here from? I said, I'm here for Tego, the guy we meet at the accident. She said, go on inside, I think you can see him now. Because them stabilizing.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So after me go in, me and him in there and we had talk. I said, oh, what I'm here, man? We are do so far. So I see me go to the road and I now go left them a road, me carry them.
So him basically help out a friend?
Out a friend. You understand? And our friend. So two of them.
So I give them a lift? Wow.
You understand? But I never really expect him to reach so far in such a short period of time.
Right.
The time when we reach home and me and him dip on the phone and come off the phone, 45 minutes that in between.
Yeah.
You understand? So I didn't really expect that. So
you know, but
him talk pretty good. Omar video called me from overseas at Everin. Omar Everin called me and said, boy, I can't sleep because in America and he need to know what I go on. Go come back down and all of that. So alright Omar, here what you do. Stay up on the phone. Let me see who and what we can do to get things in order. You understand? Work on a few things, talk to the police go in and whatever. Alright, I get a chance to go in. We say, Omar, here what I got now. You see like we're up on a video call. On the door you say no cell phone and whatever. Yeah, but keep up on the video call. Don't make no sound. So I go in and me and him talk and I explain to me what happened and all of that. Omar get to talk to you. You understand? And thing how we did that. You know.
And this is about what time now?
It's about after 1:30 going up to them.
Okay.
And then me and him did a R.I.P same way. And then the doctor started saying, no cell phone. I tell you, no. Because them think I take picture, but I show me Omar face.
Okay.
And I come here see your face, guy. I say, Tego. I say, yeah, man, they are Murphy.
Yeah.
Call him Murphy, kind grandfather.
Okay.
Yeah, so, say, me, they are Murphy, man. I go and hold it. And Chris there. I say, alright, you know. Doctor said, you have to go. If you're not going to hang up the phone, you have to go come out. It's alright. So no more, I'm going to hang up the phone. You know, conversation between me and him.
Yeah, man.
Doctor, them are asking, who this man to you? He said, boy, I'm a best friend that, you know. Maybe whatever. Because them are asking questions, them are respond. Them
right, to see if him coherent, right.
And, you know, we did them ask me who maybe to him. My name and what I know about him and just, you know, give them something short,
right.
Whatever about him. He said to them, say, alright, give him all of me things then. The lady said, alright, make a note of everything we take off of you. We're going to give them to him. But he must sign for them. So no problem, he signed for them. A friend, you know. Phone now, I left the phone with him because I said, I can call him.
If anything,
just check upon him to see. He said, no, Don't give me the phone. You keep the phone. Don't give nobody my phone. You understand?
So you have his phone?
Me have his phone.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Them give me him watch, then give me him shoes, then give me a ring.
Okay, all I'm
thing.
Him stuff.
Him
okay.
Wallet, car key, and all of that. Said to me, say, Chris, car key, no gear, no but. No why you give nobody, you know. So if anything should I ever happen, no why you make nobody sell that car.
Yeah.
Scrap it. So, you know what I mean? I go give nobody a car key. Me and you.
Yeah.
Different on a level.
Yeah.
I understand? Them say, why Chris? Remember what me say, you know? When him going at the ambulance.
So they move him from Portmore Hospital?
Yes.
To which hospital?
So I have to transfer him to Anata Bay.
Oh, to Anata Bay?
Yes.
Okay. So I guess the case was probably a little bit too...
Maybe bigger than them.
Right.
Maybe them not do certain things.
Right.
Have the equipment.
Right, so them send him to a more, you know?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So, you know, while we're there, go blank for me one night time.
Oh, yeah?
I said to me, say, keep talking to him. Because we're going to run a test again to see why him, you know. When they run the test, him blood pressure drop low. Gone 82/49. And she said, doctor, blood pressure too low, you know. So, all right, get blood, get oxygen, get the drip, make we string him up, see if we can get him back stable.
Right.
Because we have to go transfer him if I saw.
Immediately.
But them work on him, them try. You know. Before me left out of the room, when Mrs. said them get all of that, them said me can't go stay in there because I'm going to try to stabilize him.
Right.
I said to the doctor, said, try if you keep him alive at all costs. Don't worry about money and all that. Him good like that. And say, alright, we'll see what we can do for you, Sir Taylor. Because we're not giving up about no parents or nothing yet.
Right.
You understand? We are all accountable for everything. Anyways, when him do jump up back, that about a little bit 3:05 or so. He said, Chris, I said, yeah, I'm still there, man. I said, but I left me now, man. So you're mad, man. I have nowhere to go tonight. I have nothing to do tomorrow. Besides me and you did I go. Him say, alright. He did it. I say, yo, I'll pull the phone for you and I'll show you what is what. I say, alright. Show me it and I'm going to draw it on a piece of paper.
Oh, as in the pattern for unlock it. Okay.
In case me can call him.
Right.
Show me it.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You have to be a real bridging for somebody give them phone and the passcode, you know. So, you know, that right there and then show we say, you know, the relationship where you and Tego have, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, him show you the code and
yeah, man, and give me everything and whatever. Even when him a come out, they call back Omar on the video call. I say, Omar, they might transfer him to another way. And I say, put the phone on him, turn on the camera. Let me see him. Let me talk to him again. Tego and say, yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. Say, alright, you go transfer now. But me only can go as far as to the ambulance with you. Because them go one way, me go the other way. So run back through the room, go meet them out there front. Then come with them the thing, look a bit heavy if you go up. Give them a hand, put in, and them did them, I see no response. I not get no response from them. Because them have the oxygen thing on them face. So them take it off of him and plug it in the ambulance. And take off the little thing where they might push the trolley pan, whatever the oxygen pan, short one. I tell Omar, say, yeah, Omar, I'll come off my phone with you. Because I want his mother to talk to him.
Right.
Because I talk to her now, I get her on the phone.
Oh, okay.
At them time, in the morning, she called me back.
Yeah, how she took the news though when you call her first?
Why, she said she see me up back all right.
At that hour of the morning?
At that hour of the morning, she knows something wrong because you tell her, say, me and him up on the road. And she said, from me see your number first, me know something wrong. What happened? So, meet in an accident and whatever, she started to cry. And start praying and I said, boy, do. I said, Chris, anything we have to do for keep him alive. Keep him alive and my heartbeat. So alright, mommy. Anyway, in there so now, you want to talk to him. So boom and turn around the phone. So Tego say your mother here now. So Jesus Christ, she cover her mouth with Tego brother stand up beside her in the room there on the phone, and him say a few words to her, but him said to me, say, Chris, I want my mother see me like this because she can't go manage.
Can't manage.
So, mommy, I'm going up the phone now because he said no want you see man. He just lift up my hand, right hand, because you know the hand there, alright. Lift up it. Got few scratch and them bandage up.
Okay, that's his right hand.
That is right.
So I'm team left hand?
The left hand broke.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
The thing, the foot did broke, but the foot them, he moved them.
Okay.
When we did in there, because the hand and the foot broke toward and set, but I don't know if I the waist, whatever.
Right.
He moved them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
He asked me, I'm going to come back.
Come check on him.
I come check on him. I say, yeah man, I come back 10 o'clock. I ask the doctor, what time if I come back?
Oh, for visiting.
Visit him tomorrow morning. Since as I'm not a game, because I decide to, I never want to left.
Right.
I'm going to know where them can come.
Right.
Because I suggest send him a sentence baby because it's closer down here to us.
Okay.
And them say, we soon tell you which part we're going to be able to go.
Okay.
Whatever, when them check them say, sentence be too far, man. You just make him go and not a be.
Okay.
You can grab the mother and carry her come.
Okay.
So alright, no problem. Anyway, I watch the ambulance go here and we did a little bit until we say alright then. I asked them, say I hit that for now, right? I say, yeah man. Then take a contact number for me.
So when the ambulance left, about what time that was?
At around some minutes to 4.
4 a.m. in the morning?
4 a.m. in the morning, some minutes to 4. After 3:30 going to 4.
Going to 4, okay.
Yeah man.
Okay. And then the ambulance left, I mean, what after that?
And then we just call back the mother after that. And
give her an update.
Give her an update, say him stable and him attack. Him just not say no why you see me this because you can't manage that. Chris. I don't expect nothing like this in a butt. Just hope say like when talk me feel a little bit better. You understand? So no worries, man. I'm on and me come for you and make you get to see you.
So that was the plan?
That was the plan.
You left
the
hospital.
Take my time drive come home because she begged me say Chris drive safe come home. I must say I have to come for me. I said no worries, I will call you in the morning and let you know what is what.
Okay.
And she said alright then. I'm not going to sleep because them are hours them out.
Right.
So I'm not going to sleep neither, but I just want to reach down and know so I can able to run come for your morning and carry you. 6:30 me get the call.
So you got a phone call 6:30 a.m. Saturday morning.
Saturday morning, say him not make it. Them try them best. Same time, feel like a hole in my belly. Bathroom, I run go sit up on my toilet. Instant diarrhea me have. Omar, first person I call and tell him, say, Omar, you gonna make it now? I said, what you say, Chris? You know, them gonna talk to you before you can go. I said, why? I don't know what happened at that baby. I don't know if they go on a negligence or what. I say, a negligence, you know, because you can't tell we so much things and then gone. And then that after. So, well, whatever happened, you know, I don't know. I tell you when you say I already friend of the night. So I hit that him, said, boy, Chris, we will come down tomorrow morning, I'm on the next plane and come to Jamaica. And it did come. Come from yesterday morning. You understand? So, I just feel him last word that him talk to him and talk to him. You know, me and him tight, so you know, me and him reason out few things and whatever. So like that, me just in the morning after I come down here, get the call, as straight as I come, I call Seymour, give them an update, and let them know, say boy, and I make it, then I post by my status and say boy, I don't know how to say, but you know, Tego gonna make it, you know. So I just hit that, you know. Tego is just a humble youth, as you say. Not no bad him. If him hungry, you know, I just threw me around him so long. Me understand him and know certain things. You understand? Not a man to hide nothing from him. I don't hide nothing from him. I could think me and them sit down and reason if not bad way. Say, boy, you know, say X or X, Y or Y, you know. Or me ask opinion and say, yo, what you think about this? Even this race car, before I even we did sell the car, sell out basically everything out of the car. I left the engine alone. And me push him. They say, yo, I can fix up the car now, man. Because rental I turn over some money and things like that. You can pay your bills then. You could take time buy the thing them one. And I just saw machine if you up there up in Mexico though. Because I mean dream if you go up there you're not gonna run it. I wanna run and see more again, you know. Like don't want to jam myself. Well, I'm not only hoping to line up with one in the ICM class. You understand? I said, boy, anything, you know, still a boss that's here. I said, boy, but did I know? See, as Cap take off in jazz, I mean, I see Morgan. I know you are early, man, God. Times and times we got jammers. I mean, first down here, they must say, you can't see more there, can't father speed there. You know, say, yo, we're forward there. You know what I mean there?
Yeah.
We didn't expect that.
It's not like Tego did sick or anything like
the
that.
The only sickness that man have is sinus.
That's all.
That's all, but when the temperature change more while we say, oh, sinus are bad, you know, I mean, now we're going away. More while we all beg me go pay all a bill fee, man. Say, if you out there just buy this or bring this for me. If you sign us about that. You understand? But
yeah, I mean, just never dare expect this.
Him say when him see the car overtake, him swing and try to save himself. That's the way him tell me. Because me ask him what happened. You understand? And him talk, him tell me what. Yeah, man. Him say him try to save himself, and that's why him get such of a bad impact, as you can see how the car stay and the state of the car, you know. But I wasn't there.
Right.
Just for him tell me.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
So we just work with that.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Well, Chris, thanks for making the time. I mean, this is not even like an interview or a feature or anything. It's just a one-on-one me and you.
Yeah.
I did have to just want to know, and I'm sure a lot of Tego's fans out there would want to know, you know, a little bit more insight on what happened. Just stay strong, bro. And you know, the family, you know, his mom, his brother, you know, father, auntie, everybody, you know, everybody communicate with me so far, so good, you know. So we just want to bless them up, keep them in our prayers, and you know, don't know. Respect again, Chris.
Alright, respect, Keja.
Cool, bro.
Some link Seymour and say father speed, you know, say want some speed, you know. And say, alright, want what you have. So I tell him, show him what I go on, and him, you know, him say, alright, get a VVL. So get a VVL from that time, and then you know we are going to run the VVL, and then you don't know after a while that not feel fast enough. But low boost at Jamwest was 11.9, and low boost was the street map. It was 9 pound a boost. Wolper man no believe, but it happened. And Wolper man can go back and check through the run with me and Rasbill. The CRX, that was the level 9 run. So we still never utilize up the 16 pound of boost, the high boost as yet, because we have some issues with the coil. One of them they leak, so when the boost come on, I you start crack up. So I say, alright, I just run it low and done. And I get the time, I'm surprised with the time I get. So now I complain, go back on the drawing board again, finally get a limited setup. So I hit me a work with it now, so I want to really see when me I get out of the limited now on the eyeballs.